Welcome, children, to our exciting whiteboard learning activities. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery, creativity, and fun as we explore new ideas and concepts together. Here's what we have in store for you.
Let's add numbers.
Yay!
3 plus 1. Answer is 4. 3 plus 2. Answer is 5.
Yay!
5 plus 2. Answer is 7. 7 plus 2. Answer is 9. Fun dividing. Take the help of pictures to divide correctly. 4 divided by 2. Answer is 2. 12 divided by 6. Answer is 2. 9 divided by 3. Answer is 3. 6 divided by 3. Answer is 2. 2 divided by 2. Answer is 1. 8 divided by 4. Answer is 2. 10 divided by 2. Answer is 5. 14 divided by 7. Answer is 2.